You see how pitiful these potato vines are looking? I never have been able to find what ate on them. But they're dying. There's a guinea wasp. I don't want to get mad with me. Let's see what kind of potatoes are under them. Look, a bunch of babies on that one. Well, if I have to harvest them now, that's a good eating size. I'm not going to be able to get all the way down in there with my fingers, I don't think. I know there's got to be. Look at that big old fat worm. He's loving life down here, ain't he? I know there's got to be more potatoes down there than that. See, there's a vine that's just completely dead. I'd be really amazed if there was a potato on it. I planted them pretty deep, so I know I'm not getting down there where the potatoes are. Actually, there was a potato on it. And even on that dead vine, right there. Not gonna get the crop I had hoped for out of here. That's unfortunate. But when the vines are all dying or dead already, you might as well go ahead and cut your losses and dig them up. None of these are a bad size. They're not the whoppers I was expecting. This had so much organic matter in it. I just knew we'd have big potatoes. And there might be some bigger ones down there where I can't dig with just fingers. Leave these little ones in there. You will have potatoes sprouting up in here again. I'm not going to put y'all through watching this whole thing, because I'm not going to do this whole thing right now. I'll wait till my son gets home this evening and let him take the fork and dig down in there where I can't reach. See, I know there's some further down in there. I caught a glimpse of one, but I can't feel it now. Yeah, see, these two are dead. Dead as a saltfish. Probably most of y'all don't know what a saltfish is. I grew up with this fish peddler that came around ever so often. I think about once a month. And he had salted down mullet. And Mom and Daddy love those things, and they buy them. That's all I'm going to dig. My hands just won't do that. Oh, and it's killing my back. So I'm just going to take these and put them in a bucket and let him finish this off this evening. And I'll go ahead and plant something else in here. Hope everybody's having a blessed week.